Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech with Unique, and today we're going to see a basic overview of the Canva docs and how to use it. It's a basic beginner tutorial and it's an overview of the Canva docs. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first, search as Canva on the Google and just click on it and just sign in. So this is the Canva. Here you can just use a Canva docs, which is a alternative for a Microsoft document like that. You can just use it on the online. So you can find this option while just opening the Canva. You can find this home section. Here you can find the Canva docs. So you just click on this create new option. So it will open a Canva document like this. This is a Canva docs. So here you can just type whatever you just needed. So here just going to enter hi, this is a LETT letter. Okay, so you can find all the customization of the font on the top. Here you can just customize the font, increase the size of the font, change the color, and you can just use italic to use this. You can also change the bold. If you just need to, you can just apply it. And also have a lot of other options like bulleting points and line spacing and increase intent, decrease intent. And also click on this plus symbol. You can find a lot of options about the text customization, like increasing the headings or subheadings. You can just choose it, or you can just insert a table, divider, page break, and in lot of options are just going on. And also if you just need more options, you can just select on the element options. Here you can find lines and tables and also some of the charts like futures. And here you can upload your photos and videos from here on the upload section. And this is how you just use this Canva docs. It's an overview, and you can just have a few about the tools of this Canva docs in the future videos. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.